What's up guys, DMJR Jr. In this video, I want to do a quick explanation of what this is behind me. Now this is a sweat tent sauna. It's a portable sauna with a wood fire stove. You can take this thing anywhere you want off the grid. It packs up in seconds and it pops open in seconds. What I love about this is there's no electricity needed. You can take everything with you anywhere you want on the map, and you can get the sauna well over 200 degrees. I've personally got my sauna to 230 degrees in a matter of 30 minutes using just wood. Now let me give you a tour. All right, so some quick stats. It is 6 foot by 6 foot by 7 foot tall here in the middle. It does come with a full carrying case. It compacts real easy, so you can take it, throw it over your shoulder. It's not very big. Stove itself also comes with a carrying case. Now the legs here on the bottom fold up and the entire chimney disassembles and fits right inside the stove, so you can take the entire thing with you in its own carrying case. So getting this thing off grid is very easy. There are multiple vents, so you can also see out in multiple areas. This right here comes off, so if you need to vent out the air, you've got all this window viewing where you can see. It's not made out of glass either, so it folds up. It's really nice. There are 2 vents here to keep the air flowing right here next to the stove. And then this right here is a Velcro hole for the chimney, and that also comes out and you can stack that up as well. You can also use this as a tent, which is really nice. I mean, if you needed a place to stay. Cool thing is me and my kids are thinking about taking this and actually going camping in this, which is nice. There's 2 doors, so obviously a front door and then a back door, so you can have multiple points of entry. Then this is the sweat tent stove. So it does have legs at the bottom to get it off the ground for more airflow. This right here is your ash catcher. It also is a vent to keep the airflow underneath the wood. This is where your wood will go. You can put 6 logs in there or more, depending on what size your logs are. I've got my stack of wood here with my kindling ready to roll. It did also come with these nice sauna stones. So you obviously get it very, very hot. And once these stones are hot, you can take some water, pour it on there, creates a really nice steam. And that's what I was able to get my sauna to 230 degrees, which is incredible here. I'm also in Florida and it's really hot and it's a black tent. So all that adds up and makes it really, really nice. I wanted to make this video for the people out there who are like me and didn't really know this existed, right? I didn't know that these portable saunas existed. I knew there was these sauna blanket, these infrared blankets you see a lot of influencers pushing, and these little infrared sauna, like self-made tent things that you kind of have your head sticking out of. I like a traditional sauna. I like getting really hot, really sweaty, really steamy, and I didn't even know this existed. I thought I would have to spend a ton of money to do that. So I'm super stoked that sweat tents exist, and I wanted to help make sure that the world knew that. So if you like this video, if you're interested in this stuff, the like button, put a comment in the comments below, share this with a friend. And if you want to get yourself a sweat tent, I'm going to post my discount link in the description below with my discount code. Saves you $100 off an already inexpensive sauna. So get yourself one today. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. If you are, please let me know. Like, blast me in the comments if you get one of these and you hate it. I do not think you're going to hate it. I'm super stoked on this. I'm about to fire up the grill myself and get really, really hot here before I go to work. So sweat tent, you guys rock. So if this video wasn't enough and you'd like to see more information on the sweat tent, I have a full review, unboxing, and setup video that I'm gonna post right here. So check that out. And once again, I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and God bless.